Just we talked to Armand about it, and he comes over and teaches our kids the fight song, and they're out there working hard, and so we thought it'd be cool if they wanted to. I mean, to come by and play a little bit, maybe a change of scenery for them, change of pace for them. I know our guys enjoyed it. Anything to kind of continue to build our bond with the school and the people that support us, we want to strengthen that.